Hey, what up? So I'm out here at this awesome scenic campsite overlooking these mountains here, and thought this would be a great opportunity for me to show you a couple of my favorite moves to do on the GoPro Karma drone. So let's check it out. Here's number one. So this first trick that I'm going to show you is the basic fly backwards and out. You'll see it a lot. It's very common in a place like this campsite where you've got a setting and you just want to fade out away from it and show the actual area that you're in. So here's how you do that. First of all, you take the controller and you set it down on the ground, and then you take the GoPro drone, and what I like to do is hold it with my left hand, and then you just run backwards like this. And as you run, you go bzzz. So here's what it looks like. So trick number two. The next thing that I'm going to show you is raising the drone straight up and doing a rotation. So this is a cool spot, especially if you're in a clearing between some trees and you want to really get above the tree line and show facing directly down what type of location you're in. And so here's how you do that. The first step is you take the GoPro controller and you set it down on the ground, and then you hold the GoPro underneath the bottom like this, and then you just stand up and twist it like this. I'll show you that one more time. Hold it low to the ground. So the last trick that I want to show you, the third one, is a kind of a circumference circle. It's where you are pretty far out from your subject and you just rotate in a circle while keeping the focus in frame. So here's what that looks like. The first step is you set the GoPro controller down on the ground, and then you just hold the drone out like this and run in a big circle. All right, well, you could probably see that it's starting to rain out here, and the GoPro Karma doesn't work so well in the rain, so I'm gonna put it away for now. But stay tuned, and I'll keep you up to date on all the cool tricks that you can do with the GoPro Karma drone. All right, see you later.